So dear students, in this video we are to discuss how can we find arithmetic mean of a group data by shortcut method. Now dear student, this is a group data and formula to find its mean by shortcut method is x bar is equal to a plus sigma f d over sigma f. Now dear students, we take this group data and in this group data first of all we add the column of class mark x. Now dear student, to find the value of class mark x of a class, we divide sum of its limits by 2. Now this is first class and here sum of limits is 6 and when 6 is divided by 2 we get 3. Second class, here sum of limits is 16 and when 16 is divided by 2 we get 8 and so on. So dear students, that's how we can find value of class mark x of a class. And also dear students, one of the values of x is taken as assumed arithmetic mean a. Like here we have taken 13 as assumed arithmetic mean. Also dear students, you people may take any other value of x as assumed arithmetic mean also. Now dear students, after this column, in this data we add the column of d. And to find the value of d of a class, we take its class mark and from its class mark we subtract assumed arithmetic mean. First class, its class mark is 3 and when from 3 we subtract 13 we get minus 10. Second class, its class mark is 8 and when from 8 we subtract 13 we get minus 5 and so on. So dear students, that's how we can find the value of d of a class. And dear students, after this column in this data we add the column of fd. And to find the value of fd of a class, we take its frequency and multiply it by the value of d. So first class, its frequency is 3 and when 3 is multiplied by its value of d we get minus 30. Second class, its frequency is 2 and when 2 is multiplied by value of d we get minus 10 and so on. So dear students, that's how we can find value of fd of a class. Now dear students, after this column we add all values of f to find the value of sigma f and r values of fd to find the value of sigma fd. And after completing this table, dear students, we apply formula which is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fd over sigma f. Now dear students, in this formula we put values of a and sigma fd and sigma f. Now we do simplification process and at the end we find arithmetic mean of given group data by shortcut method. So dear students, that's how we can find arithmetic mean of a group data by shortcut method. Hopefully dear students, you people have understood this technique completely. So dear students, till next video lecture, take special care of yourself. Thank you very much.